Yeah, bro, what a great chess, man. Wow, 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 great, wow. Dude, this monkey is totally ripping it apart with his leg, man. Bro, what a great shot you have hit. Bro, this is nothing, bro. You guys also see this? See, look at me now. What is this? Yes, this is nothing for me. I'm gonna break him with my 2 fingers. Just watch, bro. Watch me now. Watch carefully. Watch how I break him. See how it's attacking my tree. Wait and watch it fall down any minute now. Video.
Get together. The parrot rastrola dawer from dawer's eye rastrola dawer.
What is this guy doing now? Moving from one place to another in the kitchen with the kid. Bro, what is he doing now? 1 place, 2 places. 3 go to 4, go to 5. Now I'm gonna give this. This is so small now. Yes, the embarrassment of giving this coat. What is this? Wearing a blanket because he is wearing a jacket. He remembers this. Oh, what to make him understand. Not hidden at all, not hidden at all. Oh, what to do?
Looking at the brother, but what is he doing? Why he broke? The mind is bad. What is he doing? He's just paying attention to them. Look closely now. What is he doing? What is this man doing now? Is he doing? Look at the whole wall. I made it with hard work. Look at leisure. Look at clothes. Look at your John point. I'm forgetting. So sorry. My wall fell in the water. Just watch. Girls are watching. He is gone in the water, friend. What is your friend doing? Understand your friend? It's time to rest. Rest easy. Watch, brother, you. And thank you. Why was he keeping his hand on the clean? Mad. Haven't gone yet. Watch the next video.